Hi everyone, this is a review of movie Talwar, which is based on 2008 Noida double murder case. I'm Sudo.
Hey guys, I'm Jagmo. This movie stars Irfan Khan as the CBI officer, and it stars Neeraj Gai.
It's
Neeraj,
Kabi.
okay, sorry, Neeraj Kabi as Ramesh Tandon, and Konkana Sen Sharma as Ramesh Tandon's wife, Nutan Tandon, and Prakash Belavadi as the boss of Irfan Khan. And then we have Thabu play the wife of Irfan Khan.
Yeah, she's done a cameo role. So this movie basically starts off with, they show the different perspectives of the crime that's committed. So it is shown in an angle of how the Noida police have seen it, how the CBI has seen it, how the parents narrate the crime, and how the servants narrate the crime, how the neighbors tell it. So everyone have a different angle to it, but later the movie reveals, like, once the investigation is done, so it there are many factors that get revealed in the movie. So
That's when you can have your own say, based on all the things that you get to see. You can
yes.
have your own perception or you can have your own interpretation of the film. But on the whole, this film helps the audience give a lot of clarity about what exactly happened, and it also throws light on the the carelessness of the Noida police,
Yes.
which is unbelievable. I mean, that
So
kind of a case handled with that kind of carelessness by the Noida police, if what the film shows is true, then that's the case. In that case, I think it's pretty substantive, it's pretty shameful, it's pretty frustrating. It's basically playing with people's lives, man. Because the couple here in question, you know, their lives are in question because of a very careless attitude by the Noida police.
So basically, this movie starts off with Noida police investigating, and they do a bit of reckless and careless investigation to begin with. Then, when the media takes over it, when the pressure starts mounting on the police, when the CBI come into play, already there is so much of evidence that is already hampered. So in this way, I think it was a big disadvantage to the parents or to all the suspects.
And the main reason for the case to have been dragged so long is the careless handling of the case, or the careless handling of the crime scene by the Noida cops. But coming to the film, as a film, how is it shown, how entertaining it was? It's a very entertaining film. Given the kind of publicity this topic has,
Yeah.
Irfan Khan has done an amazing job. The chemistry between Tabu and Irfan Khan is something very different. It's nothing usual. It's very different and it's executed to perfection by Tabu. Although she has a very small screen time, but she still makes her presence felt with Irfan Khan.
And also CBI director, the retiring director done by Prakash Belwadi. I think he does it really well,
As always.
as he always delivers it. And Irfan Khan, he just takes over the screen, right? Whenever he comes, the way he becomes a CBI officer in the movie, like completely into it. He's acted as CBI officer Ashwin Kumar. So this movie actually shows how, based on your habits, based on your lifestyle, how the suspects, they become the main culprits. So
So
it's like,
the way you're judged, the way you're judged is totally unfair. I mean, you're judged very irrelevantly. All the things that happens in your personal life is taken into account to judge a particular incident,
yes.
which I think is very unfair, which is what's done to the couple in question there. And of course, the couple themselves, acted out by Neeraj Kabi and Konkana Sen Sharma, do a neat role.
Very good role.
Neeraj has done a exceedingly amazing work.
Yes.
I mean, nothing disappointing from the Ship of Theseus star. So I think it's awesome that way.
It's an awesome movie, so I think everyone has to watch it. All the crime lovers and the crime mystery movie genre, you have to go and watch it. It's a great movie directed by Meghna Gulzar, and it's written by Vishal Bharadwaj, and the screenplay is also really good. It's top
It's
notch.
very engaging.
Yes.
And if you do watch the movie and if you have the time, feel free to comment in the section below as to what your take on this film. So we'll see you in the next movie review. Until then, see you.
See you. Bye bye.